Hello children, how are you all? Today we will do revision of grammar for taste. Okay, so you will revise it thoroughly. Okay, I made this assignment or this revision according to our paper style. So let's start question number 1A. Take the groups of words which are sentence. I took this question from chapter 1. So here you can see 7 examples. Children, how you will write the answer in your exam? You have to see at the end of the sentence, I put question mark or full stop, that you have to see. Okay? Then and then you will understand this is complete sentence or incomplete sentence. Where in which sentence I put full stop, you have to understand this is the complete sentence. Over there in the bracket you have to tick mark right. Otherwise, where I did not put full stop, you have to put in the bracket cross. Okay, because this is incomplete and this is complete sentence. Clear? So I am telling you answer. Number 1, give me a watch. Wrong. 2 number, my own house. Answer is wrong. 3 number, Tina is going to the market. Full stop. Answer is right. 4 number, Selena is a dancer. Full stop. Answer is right. 5 number, Snow White a princess. Answer is wrong. 6 number, going to rain today. Answer is wrong. 7 number, I like to paint. Full stop. Answer is right. So now my next question is, let's start. Question 2b, rewrite these loops of words correctly to make meaningful sentences. I took this question from chapter 1. Okay, here you can see 7 examples. Here all words are jumbled words. So we have to rearrange these words and we have to make the meaningful correct sentences. Okay, here see the first one, I yesterday saw car A. So the words are here and there, so we have to recorrect this word. For example, I yesterday saw car A. So I am speaking the answer. Yesterday I saw a car. Again, yesterday I saw a car. Now the second one, 2, 2 and 4 make. The answer is 2 and 2 make 4. The third one, long a neck, A has giraffe. Answer is a giraffe has a long neck. A giraffe has a long neck. The fourth one is 7 colors rainbow A has. The answer is a rainbow has 7 colors. A rainbow has 7 colors. The fifth one is Humpty Dumpty ball on set A. The answer is Humpty Dumpty sat on a ball. Humpty Dumpty sat on a ball. Sixth number is toys of full the bag is. The answer is the bag is full of toys. Again, the bag is full of toys. The last one, 7 number, many birds there in meadow are the. The answer is there are many birds in the meadow. Again, there are many birds in the meadow. Remember children, at the end of the sentence, when you will write the answer, you should put full stop without fail, because then and then that can be correct sentence and complete sentence, because we arrange the words. But what about the full stop? At the end of the answer, you have to put the full stop, then your answer will be correct. So remember this. Okay, now next question is question 1c. Write the question word in the sentences below. This question I took from chapter 2. Okay, you can see these words in the bracket. These all are question words. What, when, where, in the correct sentences. You can see all are the questions. You can see question marks at the end of the sentences. So these all are question sentences. How we will make question sentences? With the help of question words. So let's start. Number 1. Dash is your favorite color. What is your favorite color? So the answer will be what. Dash, were you absent yesterday? Why were you absent yesterday? Dash is your school. Where is your school? Okay. Dash fruit you like most. Which fruit you like most? Dash will be our school start. When will be our school start? Dash you hungry? Are you hungry? Dash you like dolls? Do you like dolls? Okay. Dash this your bicycle? Is this your bicycle? Dash is that man on the road? Who is that man on the road? Dash she eat a pizza tonight? Will she eat a pizza tonight? Dash they playing cricket? Were they playing cricket? Dash are you today? How are you today? So like that way you have to make these sentences with the question words. You have to take these all the words and you have to fill this blank. Remember children, first letter should be capital of these words. Then you can make the correct sentences. Okay. So now let's start new question. Question 2a. Match the common nouns with the proper nouns. Here you have to match common nouns with the proper nouns. You can see two columns. Here are some common nouns. Here are some proper nouns. I took this question from chapter 3. Okay. So let's start the match. The one number is girl. So you have to find the answer of the name of the girl. Okay. The girl name is here Padmini. So you have to match girl with Padmini. 2 number is country. So what is the name of country here? So country's name is Bangladesh. So you have to match country with Bangladesh. 3 number is city. Which city is here? So you have to find answer from this column. City, here Indore. So you have to match city with Indore. 4 number is ocean. Which ocean is here? So Indian Ocean. So you have to match ocean with Indian Ocean. 5 number is building. Which building is here? Here is Mysore Palace. So 5 number building you have to match with Mysore Palace. Then after 6 number planet. Which planet is here? Venus. So you have to match planet with the Venus. 7 number is bank. Which bank is here? State Bank of India. So you have to match bank with the State Bank of India. Then the last forest. Which forest is here? Here Sundarbans. So you have to match forest with Sundarbans. Again I am repeating children. Girl Padmini. Okay. Country Bangladesh. City Indore. Ocean Indian Ocean. Building Mysore Palace. Planet Venus. Bank State Bank of India. And the last one forest Sundarbans. So like that way you will match common noun with the proper noun. Now my next question is question 2b. Circle the words which are common nouns. Here children you have to find common noun and then you have to make circle on it. Okay. I took this question from chapter 3. Here are some examples, 10 examples. First of all children, it is very easy question. How you have to find common noun? Because common noun will be starting from small letters, and capital letters and proper noun will be start from capital letters. See, the first one, John, Pluto, Biscuit, Maya. The first letter you can see, John, J, Pluto, P, Maya, M, capital letters. So capital letters are proper nouns. So easily you can find your answer, biscuit, because biscuit start with the small letter and this is common noun because John is a name of a person, Pluto is a name of a dog, Maya is a name of a girl. Okay, so these are proper nouns, but biscuit is common noun. So like that way you can find all the answers very quickly. You have to see only first letter of the word and then you have to make circle. So you will find common noun very easily. Now the first one is John, Pluto, Biscuit, Maya. So where you will do circle? On the biscuit. The second one is Gandhi, Ricky, China, spoon. Here G capital, R capital, China C capital. These all are proper nouns. So you have to do circle on the spoon. 3 number is bread, Honda, Sunday, Amul. H, S, A capital. These are proper nouns. So you have to circle on bread. The 4 number is Diwali, June, K, Kolkata, D, J, K capital. So your answer is cake. So you have to circle to cake. 5 number is boy, Mumbai, summer, Christmas, M, S, C capital. So these all are proper nouns. So you have to circle on boy. 6 number is Gita, mouse, Tommy, Ramayan. G, T, R capital. These are proper nouns. So you have to circle on mouse. 7 number January, Monday, Ravi, tree. J, M, R capital letters. These are proper nouns. So your answer is tree. You have to circle on tree. 8 number is garden, Jerry, India, Tom. J, I, T capital letters. These are proper nouns. So your answer is garden. You have to circle on garden. 9 number is Borsar, Jaipur, Philips, toy. B, J, P are capital letters. These are proper nouns. So your answer is toy. You have to circle on toy. The last one is Anand, chair, Pongal, Friday. A, P, F capital letters. So these are proper nouns. Your answer is chair. So you have to circle on chair. Again I am repeating all the answers from 1 to 10. The first number your answer is biscuit. You have to circle on biscuit. 2 number your answer is spoon. 3 number your answer is bread. 4 number your answer is cake. 5 number your answer is boy. 6 number your answer is mouse. 7 number your answer is tree. 8 number your answer is garden. 9 number your answer is toy. And last 10 number your answer is chair. So remember children, you have to find only small letter words. Small letter starting words are common nouns and you have to find common nouns and you have to circle on the common nouns. Your answer will be found very easily and very quickly. So now let's start the next question. Question 2C. Fill in the blanks using the suitable nouns. Okay, you can see children, these are some nouns in the bracket. So you have to find correct answer and you have to fill in the blanks. I took this question from chapter 3. Okay, so let's find the answer of, and these are one type of collective nouns and you have to find collective nouns from the bracket and you have to write in the blanks. First of all, one number, a pair of trousers. A pair of trousers. 2 number, a pack of cars. A pack of cars. 3 number, a team of players. A team of players. 4 number, a pride of lions. A pride of lions. 5 number, a crowd of people. A crowd of people. 6 number, a clutch of eggs. A clutch of eggs. 7 number, a swarm of bees. A swarm of bees. A bundle of sticks. A bundle of sticks. Again one time. A pair of trousers. A pack of cards. A team of players. A pride of lions. A crowd of people. A clutch of eggs. A swarm of bees. A bundle of sticks. Okay. Now my next question is question 3a. Choose the correct collective nouns. What we are writing? Collective nouns to complete sentences. I took this question from chapter 3. So children, you have to choose the correct answer from this bracket. You can see two options are available here in the bracket. So you have to find the correct collective noun for these blanks. Okay. So let's start the first one. Father lost his dash of keys yesterday. So what answer will come? Bunch. Father lost his bunch of keys yesterday. Okay. The second one is there was a dash of bees around the honeycomb. The answer will be swarm. There was a swarm of bees around the honeycomb. You can see a dash of elephants in the forest. The answer will be herd. You can see a herd of elephants in the forest. The fourth number is the dash of musicians played lively music. Answer is band. Okay. So the band of musicians played lively music. 5 number is I can see a dash of stars from the roof. Answer is cluster. I can see a cluster of stars from the roof. Then 6 number, he bought a dash of grapes from the market. Answer will be bunch. He bought a bunch of grapes from the market. 7 number is a dash of papers lay on the table. The answer will be sheet. A sheet of papers lay on the table. 8 number is Meenu made a dash of stones near the gate. The answer will be pile. Meenu made a pile of stones near the gate. So now once again, a bunch of keys, a swarm of bees, a herd of elephants, a band of musicians, a cluster of stars, a bunch of grapes, a sheet of papers, a pile of stones. Okay children, now my next question is, children, our last question is question 3b. Write the plural forms of the singular nouns. I took this question from chapter 4. What you have to write? You will see here, you can see here so many singular forms, but you have to write plural form next to it. Okay? Here you will get space to write the plural form in your question paper. So now let's start. Here the first column is by adding s you have to make plural form. In second column by adding es you have to make plural form. In third column by adding ies then you can make the plural form, and here by adding ves then you can make the plural form. Two rules are here in third and fourth column. Suppose first column, third column, here you have to remove y. You can see all the y letters at the end of the words. Okay. So what you have to do when you will write the answer, you have to remove. Means you have to draw y. Okay. And then you have to add ies to make plural form. Okay. And here you have to remove f and fe. When there is here e, you will not remove here e. But at the end of the e, then you have to remove f, e both. Here f E. Okay, that words you have to remove at the end of the word, and then you have to add VES to make plural form. Okay, let's make from the first column. Here you have to add S. For example, one number MAT, mat, add S, then your answer will be MATS, mats. Girl, GIRLS, girls. Chair, CHAIRS, chairs. Star, STARS, stars. Table, TABLES, tables. Dog, DOGS, dogs. Toy, TOYS, toys. Flower, FLOWERS, flowers. So children, here I add S at the end of the words and I made plural form. Clear? At the end of the word. Okay, and you have to write again this word in the answer column. Suppose here mat, so here you have to write MATS, mats. Like that way you have to write all the answers. Now next question, next column. Here you have to add ES. Okay, suppose BOSS, ES, bosses. Fox, FOXES, foxes. Quiz, QUIZES, quizzes. Mango, MANGOES, mangoes. Ostrich, OSTRICHES, ostriches. Dish, DISHES, dishes. BUS, bus, BUSES, buses. Princess, PRINCESSES, princesses. So here at the end of the words you have to add ES to make plural form. Now the third column, again I am reminding you, in this question you have to remove, you have to drop Y and add IES. Let's make first one baby. So you have to write BAB. Then don't write Y. You have to write IES. Okay? BABIES, babies. Don't write Y. Okay? In the answer. Copy, COPIES, copies. City, CITIES, cities. Hobby, HOBBIES, hobbies. Family, FAMILIES, families. Lady, LADIES, ladies. Story, STORIES, stories. Country, COUNTRIES, countries. You have to remove, you have to drop Y. When you will write the answer, you will not write Y. You just add IES and then make answer. And the last column, here you have to remove F and FE. So then you can make the plural form. The one number is LOA. LOA. Then don't write F. Add VES. LOA. VES. Loves. Thief. THIEVES, thieves. Knife, KNIVES, knives. Wolf, WOLVES, wolves. Calf, CALVES, calves. Leaf, LEAVES, leaves. Half, HALVES, halves. Wife, WIVES, wives. Remember children, here you have to drop Y and here you have to drop F and FE and add IES and VES at the end of the words. This is very simple. Just you have to remember these formulas of these both. Otherwise these both are very easy. Okay. So like that way you all will do your revision once again carefully and thoroughly. Okay. Then and then you can write your answers in the test paper. Remember children, you have to write with nice handwriting in your question paper. Okay. Till then, all the best. Jai Hind. Stay safe. Goodbye.